Hello everyone, welcome back to Medical Tube. Today, we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions and their correct answers. Let's get started. Our first question for today is, which part of the nervous system controls actions like walking and running? A. Parasympathetic nervous system. B. Somatic nervous system. C. Sympathetic nervous system. D. Peripheral nervous system. So, the correct answer is somatic nervous system. Which of the following does not form part of the central nervous system? A. Brain. B. Spinal cord. C. Brain stem. D. Spinal nerves. So, the correct answer is spinal nerves. The response of the sympathetic nervous system is known as A. Autonomic response. B. Flight response. C. Somatic response. D. Reflex response. So, the correct answer is flight response. Parasympathetic system causes A. Digestion of food. B. Accelerated heartbeat. C. High metabolism. D. Rapid muscle movement. So, the correct answer is digestion of food. The abundant inhibitory neurotransmitter found in the CNS is called A. Gamma-glutamyltransferase. B. Gamma-linolenic acid. C. Gamma-aminobutyric acid. D. None of these. So, the correct answer is gamma-aminobutyric acid. What is the chemical nature of antidiuretic hormone? A. It is a protein. B. It is an amino acid derivative. C. It is made from cholesterol. D. It is a lipoprotein. So, the correct answer is it is a protein. Primary hormone is A. STH. B. FSH. C. LH. D. Prolactin. So, the correct answer is prolactin. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found these biology questions helpful for your studies. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Got any questions or topics you want me to cover next? Drop them in the comments below. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy studying!